Hi guys, I'm Zhenghan and welcome to ZaTaYaYummy. Today on ZaTaYaYummy, I'm gonna show you how to make some baked donuts. Even though it's baked, it is absolutely delicious and tastes just as good than the fried ones. Save on the extra fats but not on the goodness. This recipe is very versatile and I will show you mainly how to make 3 different types of donuts: donut hole, jelly donuts, and the classic glazed donuts. Anyway, to start off, here are the following ingredients that you will need. In a mixing bowl, stir in warm water, milk, melted butter, vanilla extract, sugar, yeast, and egg together. Then, throw in plain flour and salt. Mix on medium speed until combined. Once combined, continue kneading on medium speed for 5 minutes until smooth. Stop the mixer in between to prevent overheating. Let it proof for an hour. Transfer into a floured surface and using a rolling pin, roll until about ½ inch thickness. Cut out donut circles using a 3 inches round cookie cutter. Use a small round cookie cutter to cut the center to make donut holes. Re-roll and repeat until finish. To make jelly donuts, just use 3 inches round cookie cutter will do. Transfer it into well-greased baking pans, making sure to leave at least 2 inches apart. Let it proof for the second time for 30 minutes. Gently brush some melted butter onto all of the donuts. Meanwhile, preheat oven to 180° or 160° fan force. Bake it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Immediately after baking, coat donut holes with melted butter and dust them with cinnamon sugar. To make jelly donuts, use a satay stick and poke through so that it can pipe in the filling later. Use a piping bag and fill the donut through the holes. You can fill both sides to have more fillings. Dust them with icing sugar to give that rustic look. To make sugar glazed donuts, mix icing sugar and some water slowly until it reaches a desired consistency. Be sure not to mix in too much water from the start, otherwise it will be too runny. Mix in some vanilla extract for flavoring. Dip each donut into a bowl of glaze and use a fork to drip off the excess. Let it set and double dip them to make it extra special. Meanwhile, if you want to, you also could dip them using my hot chocolate fudge sauce. I will show you how to make them soon, so stay tuned. Hi, thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, like me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and check out all my printable recipes at my website.